Nowadays, we spend up to 90% of our time indoors, in our homes, and inside industrial, public, and commercial buildings. The places where we work, learn, or shop during the day. Buildings account for 40% of the world's energy consumption. If we design buildings with daylight and fresh air, it's well within our ability to create buildings that are good for both people and the planet. Daylight and fresh air are key design choices, which can increase productivity and learning capabilities of the building's users by up to 15%. And it can reduce the building's total energy consumption by 20%. In addition, skylights play a major role in keeping the building and its occupants safe by removing toxic smoke in the event of a fire. Still, many buildings do not have daylight and ventilation solutions, or often these solutions are not fully utilized. Skylights must comply with regulations and standards for daylight, as well as for smoke and heat exhaust ventilation. And skylights are often installed at heights, making them difficult to reach and exposing them to harsh environments. Building planners and decision makers may assume that designing and constructing with daylight and fresh air can be too complicated, or that budget does not allow it, but attainable solutions exist. VELUX Commercial solutions can bring daylight and fresh air, as well as smoke and heat exhaust ventilation, through any type of roof into any type of building. Our daylight and ventilation experts will carefully listen to your specific needs, helping you select the best possible solution and ensuring it's properly installed, safe, well-functioning, and maintained. As part of the VELUX Group, we lean on the daylight and ventilation expertise built up over the last 80 years. And we're committed to delivering the most robust, sustainable, and innovative range of roof lights, domes, and glass systems for industrial, commercial, and public buildings. VELUX Commercial, your preferred partner for daylight and ventilation solutions.